Family, in today's video we're gonna learn how to make this perfect chewy donuts recipe. No fail, and it's absolutely delicious. So let's get into this video. First, we're gonna add milk. I'm gonna use my instant yeast, sugar, add your vanilla extract, 1 egg, all-purpose flour. We're adding about 2 cups, and then your butter. So go ahead and mix everything into a very nice and smooth consistency. So with this recipe, guys, make sure that you knead this dough for about 10 minutes, but if you're using your hand, you're surely going to knead it for about 30 minutes. Alright guys, so we're going to cover and leave it out for about 45 to an hour to double in size. After the dough rise up, punch in the middle to eliminate air. Next, we're going to cut our dough into small sizes and we're going to shape it. So you can actually shape it whichever way that you want, but I prefer to twist it this time. Yeah, but you can do those little balls if that's what you want. It's just up to you guys. A little tip on this donut recipe: make sure that you leave everything in a room temperature. Since we are in winter season, everything is kind of get too cold, and it takes a little bit longer for your dough to double in size. So please make sure that you leave everything in a room temperature. Alright guys, so this is the fun part. I'm going to make sure that I twisted these donuts until I get all of them ready. Alright guys, so in this recipe, if you cannot find fresh milk, you can also use water or evaporated milk. It all works the same. So after everything is done, I'm going to use a clean cloth to cover until it doubles in size for about 2 good hours. Alrighty guys, so this is how your dough is going to turn out after 2 hours. So today I'm going to be using avocado oil to fry this donut. So I've already heated my oil. I'm using a low medium heat to start. So gradually I'm going to lower the temperature because I don't want to burn my donuts. This is so soft and cooks really fast. We definitely have to keep an eye on them. So guys, I've made several donuts on my page, but this one is like on the top. It is so soft, very chewy, and perfectly done, guys. So this is actually the best recipe for this cold weather. You want something to snack on, you definitely have to try this donut. It is perfectly done. So on this side, you can actually dip them in sugar or milk powder. Is just up to you guys. You can also find all the ingredients under the description box, guys. So please feel free to check that out. So at this point, all you need is just your hot chocolate or your tea to enjoy it with. So let me just break one of these donuts so you guys will see how chewy and soft. I love how milky the taste is, and also it melts in your mouth when you take a bite. That is so good. I hope you really enjoyed this recipe. If you did, please share, comment, and I'll see you on this one. Stay safe.